Hey guys, tonight I'm going to be doing an Algebra 1 problem for you. This is a problem on solving rational equations. I'm going to be using the lowest common denominator method, or the LCD. First, I'm going to take you back to grade school, basically, learning about fractions and what you do when you have to add or subtract them. So, for example, I'm going to give you just 1/2 plus 1/3. All right, so we know that you can't just add these two. Okay, when you add two fractions or subtract two fractions, they have to have the same denominator. Okay, obviously 2 and 3 are not the same number. The only way to get these two to be the same on the bottom is basically to multiply them together. So what we would do in this situation is we would multiply the left side by 3/3, and we would multiply the right side by 2/2. All right, that would give us 3/6 plus 2/6. Okay, and then we could just go ahead and just add them right across and be left with a fraction that has a 6 on the bottom. So that would just equal 5/6. Okay, that would be our answer there. And the reason that we do that is because when you have something, a fraction that's the same on the top and the same on the bottom, it's just 1. So 3/3 is 1. And 2/2 is 1. Now, basically, you can multiply anything by 1, and numerically it's going to be the same. Okay, so here, we're not actually changing this 1/2 into anything. 3/6 is still 1/2. We're just changing the form. All right, so we're going to take the principle and we're going to use it in something that's a little bit more complicated. And we are going to, in this example, do the same thing. So on the left side, I'm going to multiply this whole thing by 2x plus 4 over 2x plus 4. Okay? On the left side, I'm going to multiply by 7/7. All right? So I'm going to just distribute in one step this whole thing. So in the next step, we have 8x squared plus 16x. We just take that 4x and multiply it by 2x, and then multiply it by that plus 4. All right. The bottom, I'm going to leave that separate for now, so we just have 7 times 2x plus 4. Minus, on the right side here, we're just going to have 14x over, we're going to have the same thing, 7 times 2x plus 4. Okay, so you can see that these are identical. We basically just multiplied them by each other, and now we have, these are numerically equivalent. Okay, they're just in a different form. So now we can combine everything, which is really what we want to do. So 14x we can subtract from that 16x because they're both just an x term. The 8x squared is, we can't do anything with that because it's different. So 8x squared plus 2x. Now on the bottom, we're going to be combining these. So now we're just going to have 7 times 2x plus 4. So I'm going to distribute this 7 into here. So we have 14x plus 28. So we're not done yet. You always have to reduce any fraction, whether it's a rational fraction or just a regular fraction. You always want to reduce it into its lowest form. So if you notice, all of these numbers, all these terms, are all divisible by 2. They're all even numbers. So I'm just going to divide all of those by 2 over here, and we'll get our answer in lowest terms. So 8x squared divided by 2 is 4x squared. 2x divided by 2 is just x. 14x divided by 2 is 7x. 28 divided by 2 is 14. All right, that's our final answer. So if you guys need to contact me, you can always visit my website. It's www.studentsuccesswithjust.com, or you can follow me on Instagram and Facebook under Student Success with Jess. All right, thanks guys for watching.